Good morning.
So may you know what informed this latest Security Council meeting today?
Well, this meeting was called in order to abreast the CNC on the current happening in the northwest and north central, in respect of the improvement and problems and any other thing associated with insurgency, banditry, kidnapping, and the rest of it. From the meeting, we believe that the space in which these things are happening in Zamfara State and North Central is a source of concern to the government and to all agencies that are responsible for the execution of the operations in the North Central. We discuss the need for urgency in our dealing with the bandits. We believe they are becoming a nuisance. They are killing people. They are doing what they like. They make careless statements. They say what they think they should say in order to solicit the kind of audience they will want from the society. We believe that we have gone a long way in keeping this country together. If one looks back prior to our coming, 2014, you find that there is a lot of improvement. We have appraised our position. We find that we are capable. We can do this thing, but we need the cooperation of every Nigerian in order to ensure a free society. Security, as far as this country is concerned, is the paramount important thing in this country. Without security, nothing will happen. And the Commander-in-Chief has emphasized this today, that without security, nothing can go. So he has directed us to find ways, tactics, and styles in which we can get out of this thing. And we assure him that we'll do our best to ensure the mission is successful. And we'll do all we can to ensure the completion of this mission, especially when equipment and other things are available to support the course of our tactical maneuvers. And that we will do very well from now.
Have you started using the new Super Tucano jets?
No, we are just testing them. Six are still coming by the end of maybe next week. So when the 12 of them are here, I think the Chief of Air Staff will brief you on the operations that they are to undertake as soon as possible.
Yes, we had a brief security meeting. Service chiefs and the intelligence chiefs have been able to brief the president on the security situation of the country. The president has also observed and make a reaffirming remark that the constitutional responsibility of government is the provision of security is one and is foremost, and he is ready to provide such. We should reinvigorate our efforts, which are yielding results in the northeast, southeast, but there is more things to be done in the north central, northwest, where people are worried, and he has intelligence and information that school children and students are abducted, selective abductions and killings are done. This narrative must change. We have assured him and promised him that we'll make effort to do more. But he is also thanked us and praised us for what has been done so far. but they should improve much so that people can go about their lawful businesses within the quickest possible means.
Do you know what you have discussed in respect of the ongoing operations in Zamfara and the neighboring states?
Yes, we did. The president has been briefed. It is yielding positive result and is encouraging.
Is there any new marching order from the president to the security chiefs?
The new marching order is that all the service chiefs and intelligence chiefs has been warned to go under the invigorate effort and to do more so that the North State, North Central and Nigeria at large should enjoy better security.
How long is the operation in Zamfara and Emboran going to last?
That will be not necessary for disclosing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.